Strong jack, put it on a car trailer and it holds just fine. Welded on nice and easy as well. Great and easy to install, completely satisfied. This trailer jack is solidly built, twice the load rating as others at half the cost. Bought this to replace one on a motorcycle trailer due to the same size welded installation bracket that was already on the trailer. Good product with a long handle that gives you plenty of leverage. If you don't already have the circle on your trailer, you will need to have it welded by someone. I do wish they would paint the foot since water pools in it, but almost no manufacturer does. The original jack on my trailer would have hit the tailgate. This gives me plenty of room with no dents. Well made, heavy duty. 3 stars for easy install because welding has to be done to mount jack to trailer. If you are a good welder, then 5 stars, otherwise you have to bring trailer and jack to a welder. Good product. Watch carefully when you weld the stub onto the tongue. It has a short side and a long side. Long side should be welded to tongue or the jack won't go on properly. Great jack. About twice the rating of what was needed, but it's always best to have more than what you need. Comes with mount that has to be welded, of course. Would like a better retainer pin. It even fit the old welded on mounting stud, so I just pulled off old and slid on new. Heavy duty design. Yes, it includes the pipe that you weld to the trailer tongue. Click link in description for more reviews.